Hello, welcome to the attorney fees section of the ULV Justice Center website. Glad to have you. For a quick disclaimer, the information provided on this site is not legal advice, but is provided for informational purposes only. If you are in need of legal advice, we advise you to consult with an attorney. Overview of the law. Attorney fees are the amount billed to a client for legal services performed on their case on their behalf. Attorney fees may be set by an attorney-client compensation agreement, or in certain type of cases by a statute or a court. Steps for attorney fees. The first step is to select an attorney and recognize that all forms of attorney compensation are negotiable. Before meeting the attorney, gather as much information as possible about your case for the attorney to review. Organize the material. Once you have decided to meet with the attorney for a conference, it is time to negotiate your arrangement and put it in writing. According to the State Bar Association, you have to make a copy of the agreement, and you and your attorney must sign the agreement. Burden of proof. Burden of proof falls on both parties. It is the job of the attorney to keep a detailed record of the justifiable hours they have worked for you, but it is also your duty to recognize everything the attorney has helped you accomplish in your case. Factors considered when adding up attorney fees. To cover legal advice, producing documents, negotiating on the behalf of you, research, and any other actions that were specified in the agreement that you would like your attorney to do for you. What are the different types of attorney fees? Attorney fees may be hourly, flat, or contingent. Contingency fee is compensation for their legal services based on a percent of the recovery. This type of payment is typically used for personal injury matters, such as car accidents or slip and fall accidents. The fee range can be from 25 to 40%. Hourly fees are the rate an attorney may charge depending on multiple factors. Factors may be the subject area of the case, years of experience of the attorney, complexity of the case, and the general overhead of the attorney. Flat fee is often used in criminal cases and is also used for standard representation. This is when the attorney makes a projection of what he thinks the representation will cost. General questions involving attorney fees. Is there anything you can do to keep the fees down? Yes. If it is allowable/possible, be active in your case. Volunteer to help with the work, have reasonable expectations of your lawyer and your case. Find ways to settle your case quickly. Do not fight over the small issues of your case. How much does it cost for attorney fees? The answer can vary from $50 to $1,000 or more per hour, depending on what you need for an attorney and how complex your case is. What do attorney fees include? They can include legal advice, the production of documents, negotiations, research, and any other specified agreement made between you and your attorney. Can you make someone else, like your spouse, pay your legal fees? In the U.S., the American rule is that each party pays only their own attorney fees, regardless if you win or lose. How can I pay my lawyer if I have no money? You can look to legal aid societies, visiting a law school, contact your county or state bar association, going to a small claims court, or represent yourself in court. Explanation of forms and templates. Attorney fees study aid. The purpose of this form is to help you follow along with the video and help you understand possible difficult legal terms that are shown on this page. The information needed to complete this form is your personal information and the information on this page to help guide you. You can access this form at the top of the page by clicking the Attorney Fees Study Aid button. By clicking on the button, it will take you to the link for the study aid. Once you have completed this form, you can use it to help you achieve filing for attorney fees. This has been an overview of the attorney fees section of law. On behalf of the ULV Justice Center, we thank you for your time and hope this information is helpful in your legal matter.